Have you ever looked at an Amazon account and thought, there is no way this account has problem? It's doing millions. That's exactly what we thought. Recently, we audited an 8-figure Amazon brand that had been professionally managed for almost 4 years. Their annual PPC spend was around 1.7 million. Everything looked healthy on the surface, hundreds of campaigns, experienced managers, regular optimization, weekly reports. But once we started digging, we realized the account was not optimized, it was simply active. And there is a huge difference. The account had more than 300 active campaigns. Sound impressive, right? Until we discovered that nearly $400,000 a year was being spent promoting products that were actually losing money. Yes, the ads were generating sales, but every sales reduced profit because nobody had looked beyond ACoS. Then we found something even more surprising. Yes, their hero product. The product responsible for almost 40% of total company revenue was limited by a daily budget of only around $50. Imagine your best salesperson being told you have already sold enough today, go home. That's exactly what Amazon was doing every afternoon. Revenue was literally being left on the table. So what did our quarterly audit actually uncover? Let's go through 4 things almost every brand should check. Number 1 is compare revenue by ASIN with advertising budget. Your highest revenue products should usually receive the highest investment, but many brands accidentally spread budget evenly across dozens of products. If your top 3 products generate most of your revenue, why are they getting the same budget as products that barely sell? That's backwards. And number 2 is calculate contribution margin. Don't stop at ACoS. An ACoS of 20% or even 25 can still lose money depending on your costs. So you need to include cost of goods, Amazon fee, shipping, storage, returns, advertising. Only then do you know whether every sales is actually profitable. And number 3 is look at your campaign mix. Many accounts put almost everything into sponsored products, so that's great for capturing demand, but what about creating demand? Sponsored brand videos, sponsored display. These campaigns protect the customer journey before competitors steal your traffic. So ignoring them creates huge gaps in your advertising strategy. And number 4 is review all keywords. We found keywords that had been running for years without any questioning them. So customer search behavior changes, competitor change, Amazon change, and your keyword strategy should change too. A keyword that performed well 2 years ago might be wasting thousands today. So now here is the best part. We did not launch a single new product. We did not increase advertising spend, and we did not build hundreds of new campaigns. We simply fixed what already existed. So within the first audit, the brand recovered over $9,500 every month in hidden advertising waste. That's more than $100,000 a year simply by asking better questions. So if you have been managing the same Amazon account for years, don't assume it's optimized just because it's running. Routine management keeps account alive. Quarterly audits make them profitable, and sometimes the biggest opportunity is not finding something new. It's fixing what everyone stopped looking at. So if you are spending serious money on Amazon advertising and have not performed a complete quarterly audit recently, now this is the time. Follow for more real Amazon growth insight, or reach out if you would like to see how much hidden profit your account could recover.